Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ and today I'm gonna show how to crochet these beautiful daffodil granny squares. For these squares I'm using 4.5mm crochet hook, worsted weight acrylic yarn. The brand is Hobby Yarn Kind Feather. I'm using 3 different colors: green as my main color, white for the petals, and yellow for the center of our flower. Let me show the closer look. It's a 3D daffodil flower. This is the center and the petals. Um, if you are ready, we can start with the pattern itself. The free written instructions you can find in our blog passionatecrafter.com. I will put a link in the description box down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible. I hope you will like this tutorial. So take your hooks and let's start to crochet some beautiful daffodil granny squares. So first we will start with a magic ring. Then we will chain 1 and we will work 10 half double crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then close the ring. Slip stitch which are joined to the first stitch, chain 1 and work 2 single crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, 1, 2. You should have 20 single crochet stitches. At the end, this is the centerpiece of our daffodil flower. Slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and cut the yarn. Now we will switch to white color. This is the center. Now we will work into the third loop of our half double crochet stitches from round 1. When you turn your center piece, you will see that we have third loop of our half double crochet stitch, and the third loops are here. This one is the third loop, this one is the third loop, this is the third loop. Let me show with different yarn, it will be more visible. Here I have the same piece with half double crochet stitches in the middle and then single crochet. When we turn, you will see that these are the third loop of our half double crochet stitches. We will work into these loops. Now take white color yarn, insert your hook in any third loop of our half double crochet stitches like this. Take the white color, pull it through, chain one is not counted as a stitch, and work 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2. Then work 2 half double crochet stitches into the next 3 stitches, into the next 3 third loops of our half double crochet stitches. This is the next third loop, 1 half double crochet, the second one, then again insert into the third loop and work 2 half double crochets. One more time, 2 half double crochet. Then 1 half double crochet into the next one, and again 2 half double crochet stitches in next 4 stitches. 1, 2 half double crochet, the first stitch, the next one, 2 more stitches to go, 1, 2, and now in the last stitch place 1 half double crochet, then join on top of the first half double crochet stitch. Here is the stitch from the slip stitch, do not count it, slip stitch to the first half double crochet. This is how it will look. At the end you must have 18 stitches. We worked 2 half double crochet in first 4 stitches, then 1 half double crochet in next one, then again we worked 2 half double crochets in the next 4 stitches, and we finished with 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the petals of our daffodil. Now work 2 treble crochets into the same stitch, yarn over twice and work 2 treble crochets into the same stitch, chain 3, work 1 picot stitch. For the picot, chain 3 and insert your hook and make a slip stitch into the third chain from the hook. Then 2 treble crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch, and 1 more slip stitch into the next one, and you can see that the first petal of our daffodil is done. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 treble crochets into the same stitch, one picot stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch into the third chain, 2 treble crochets into the next stitch, chain 3, slip stitch into the next one and slip stitch into the next stitch. You have to repeat this till you have 6 petals in total. Let me finish and let's meet there. For the last slip stitch, we will slip stitch into the space next to the first chain 3, and then we will switch to our green color or our main color. But first let me show how the daffodil will look. This is the final look of our petals. Now we will switch to the green color. I'm using green, you can use different color, it's up to you. Now for the last slip stitch, insert your hook into this space next to the first chain 3. Take your next color and pull through, then chain 1 and work 1 single crochet into the same space, then chain 4, skip the first petal and work 1 single crochet into the second slip stitch here. Into the slip stitch next to the beginning chain 3 of each petal, chain 4 again, skip the next petal and work 1 single crochet on top of the second slip stitch, chain 4, 1 single crochet, chain 4, skip the petal, 1 single crochet on top of the slip stitch, chain 4, one more time, chain 4, and now slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. You should have 6 chain 4 spaces. Now chain 3 is counted as a stitch. Work 5 double crochet stitches into the chain 4 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet stitch, and again 5 double crochet into the chain 4 space. Repeat this till the end of the round. Place 5 double crochets into the chain 4 space and 1 double crochet on top of each single crochet stitch. At the end of this round, join on top of your chain 3, chain 3 to start the next round, and now work double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Then work 2 double crochets into the next one, chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the same. Now we are turning our circle into a square. Again, double crochet into the next 8 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again the second corner, 2 double crochet into the next, chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the same. This is how we are turning this circle into a square. Again double crochet into the next 8 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, and again double crochet in next 8 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and for the last stitch 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Now join on top of chain 3, chain 3, and this is the last round. For this round we will place 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet, and we will place 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet into these corner spaces. So double crochet on top of the double crochet stitches, then 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Continue till the end and join with a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. So this is the finished look of our daffodil granny square. I made several ones because I want to show, if you decide to turn it into a blanket, how it will look. You can make some daffodil granny squares, and you can place solid ones to turn it into a blanket, or you can use daffodils for each square. Again, it's up to you. Here is another one. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this tutorial with your friends, and see you in my next ones.